Recording the sewer line here at 111 North 49th Street. What we're looking at here is the Seattle City main flowing by. We're about 85 feet out from the toilet flange that I'm recording this from. So we are down in the basement right now. Cabled the line, was able to clear the sewage from the line, ran a bunch of water. The line's open and flowing. As we pull back, we'll get a good look at the line and check out what caused the initial clog here. So, City main, this is the point where the homeowner is responsible to. Everything back from here, as I pull this camera back, is the responsibility of the 111 North 49th Street residence homeowner. So we're in 6-inch clay right now, coming backwards. So large root intrusion out there. What you'll notice as we come back is every 3 feet, there is a seam in the pipe. So seam right there, you can kind of see we're kind of upside down and sideways, but that's a little bit closer to the right side up. But you see that seam down the line? Every 2 to 3 feet, we're going to see another one. So seam there. Each of these seams, there's a small, minuscule gap in the line. So it's allowing the roots to come through, which are causing the clog. So as we pull back, you'll see every 3 feet, seam, and you'll see some of these have worse root intrusion than others. There. Good sized roots there. So, good sized roots. So these are the obstructions that's causing the solid sewage to back up. You see some toilet paper kind of built up on the root there. That's from the root catching that toilet paper and starting to cause backups. Right there is a good sized root. Try to knock some of that. Try to knock a little bit of that waste free. Let me run some water. So you see we're getting flow now. I'm running the tub downstairs as well as the bathroom sink. I'm going to turn it off so you can see the screen again. You can see the line's draining now, and I got that big wad of toilet paper off this root, but it's obviously taking up. I mean, what once is, we're back into 4-inch pipe now. What once was a 4-inch opening is down to about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and it's catching all this toilet paper as it goes through. So major roots through this section. We got another one there. You see it catching up the toilet paper. Another large root there. And so the cable machine that we ran today is able to get through those roots, but it's not really a cleaning tool. It cleans because it cuts out a certain amount of the root, but at some point it just kind of uses the path of least resistance and goes past the root, and then you can't get it to do much more cleaning, especially through the toilet flange here. This access gives us very limited access to the sewer line, as we have to go through a bunch of turns, and the cable's just not as effective at that point. So what I'd like to do is get a clean out maintenance access point installed out here, right there where the clay and the transition, or the clay and the cast iron transitions. As we come back here, We're coming back under the house. This is the cast iron pipe into ABS plastic pipe. So at some point there was a repair done down here, putting plastic ABS pipe in here. So as we come out, there's the toilet flange. I'm going to end the video there and do a little bit of locating and see what our best spot is for an outside maintenance access point. And this is where it's going to be.